Okay, so here we have a sort of tricky video for how you can use Screencast-o-matic to capture whatever is on your screen. That might be a PowerPoint video or a PowerPoint slide that you're talking through. It might be some other visual that you're using in order to be able to give your students a lecture when you're not actually in class. A good place to start is Pacific University Libraries. If you go to the far right corner, you will see the Educational Technology tab. Click there. Under Technologies, at the very bottom, we have some multimedia tools. The first option under those multimedia tools is Screencast-o-matic. There's also a little description and a link here to lots of tutorial videos on how to use Screencast-o-matic. This is just how to get you started. So if you go to Screencast-o-matic, it's a very simple web operation. You just have to click this button here to get started with the screen recorder and then launch the free recorder. You have to tell your computer OK to open Screencast-o-matic here at the top. Okay, and then what you get is this really cool zebra stripe window. Anything within this window is the capture window, and anything inside of that window will be what your students see in your video recording. I'm just going to let it crop where it crops. Notice that you have the option of catching just the screen, or just your webcam, or both the screen and the webcam in the small corner. We're just going to do the screen for now. Down here at the bottom is where you have your recording tools. You're just going to start with recording. It gives you a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and now I am actively recording. Anything I say, the screen recorder will capture. It will capture anything that happens on the screen. If I happen to go to a different browser on the screen, it just follows me there. So once I'm done making my recording, I say all I want to say. You stop it by going to pause, down here in the bottom. Pause. And then it sort of asks you, are you done? Or do you want to throw it out and start over? If you say you want to throw it out, it's going to confirm, are you sure that you want to delete this? We're going to say done. Now what you want to do, you could edit it, but usually you just want to save and upload. So you click here, and now this gives you in this far right corner two options: save it as a video file or upload directly to YouTube. We recommend that you do both, providing you have enough space on your actual computer. So let's pretend that you have lots of space on your computer. These files aren't overly huge, but you still want to be aware of your storage. So if I click on Save as a Video File, I get this little window. The only thing you need to change here is the file name. You want that to be something that makes sense to you. This will be the name that's attached to the YouTube video that your students will eventually view. So it's good to have it be quite descriptive and something that you know is the official name you want it to have. Test is probably not the best name, but that's what we have for now. Once you have the name done, say Publish. Right now it's saving that video file down to the computer. Great. It will go wherever your computer is default to record things down. Mine goes to my downloads, but yours might be in your desktop, so you may have to know where files tend to go. I'm going to say done. Now I have that file on my computer, which I can then upload into YouTube. Okay, so here we are back at Screencast-o-matic's landing page. We recorded our last one and saved it as a file to our computer. That way I can just open up YouTube and click the upload, and then I could upload it. But we're going to do another video and then see how it's like to just push it straight over to YouTube. So I'm going to click on Launch the Screen Recorder. Then up here I'm going to sort of say okay, whatever it wants me to do. And in a second we'll get a yellow screen and then the zebra lines. That's how we know we're in business. We're going to go ahead and just record again. Sorry about the wiggling. Okay, 3, 2, 1, countdown, go, and now we're recording. Anything we say is going to be captured as the narration. Anywhere we go on the page will go straight to there. If you're viewing a PowerPoint slide as you advance through the slides, that's what your students will see. Okay, when we're done with our recording, push pause. We go ahead and say it's all done. We're going to save or upload. And this time we're going to push it over to YouTube. Notice that we'll still need to change the title. Okay. And then we'll say publish. It's doing its magic. And done. Great. Once you see this green check mark, you know that your file is uploaded to YouTube. You'll want to copy this link. That's basically your YouTube link, so that if you save that somewhere where you can always get to it, you won't lose it. Once you're there, you can then take your YouTube file and send it in an email, or you can post it to an announcement in Moodle, and now you have it. It's that simple. If I open the upload, it takes me straight to YouTube. And there we have it. There's our video playing in YouTube, and it's just that simple. I do highly recommend saving this YouTube link as soon as you push it over to YouTube, so that you can find it easily later. All right, that's basics of screencasting using Screencast-o-matic. If you just go to Screencast-o-matic.com, you do want to put the dashes in, launch the free recorder, and it's pretty easy from there. Please don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email if you have a question. edtech@pacificu.edu. Thanks a lot.